This video is dedicated for people who have lost their mother. Please comment if you relate to this. I lost my mother 10 months ago, and now she's my angel, always with me, in my dreams, in my heart. When grief feels heavy, I turn to nature. She loved it deeply, and in its silence, I still feel her close. By the river, sit quietly. The water flows steadily, like grief strong at first and gentle with time. I remember her joy in every tree, in every far flower. She showed me that nature listens when words are too heavy to say. And in the silence, I feel her near in the wind, in the water, in the sky. Her love lives on, reminds me that even in loss, life carries us forward with hope. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.